In today's video, I will be comparing the old and new Hysapientia air fry oven models. This will be the most honest and trustworthy comparison review for the air fry ovens. I have made hundreds of dishes between both of these ovens, which means I have a fair amount of experience using both devices. I have owned the 24-litre air fry oven since it was released over a year ago. I also got my hands on the newest model before it was released in the UK. If you would like to see me individually unbox, review and cook in both of these ovens, I have pasted the links of both of the videos in the description below. So the purpose of today's video will be to compare both of these devices and help you decide which one is for you. I have put both my ovens side by side for us to see a clear picture while we are comparing. So the main feature in the newest model is that it has a dual zone feature, which means you can cook different foods in different compartments at different temperatures. This feature allows us to use up to 6 shelves at the same time. The high-speed fan technology allows air to circulate equally all around the oven to avoid burning or overcooking. So the older model to the left has one large compartment with 3 large shelves, whereas the later model has the ability to function as a large air fry oven or a dual zone air fry oven with 2 compartments. The dual zone air fryer comes with a divider shelf, which makes it really easy to switch from one large compartment to the dual zone feature. The dual zone feature is really good for cooking dinner and desserts at the same time. For example, I have cooked a 7-piece Sunday roast dinner and an apple crumble all at once. That video is available on my channel if you would like to see how I did that. Moving on, the older version has a 24-litre capacity, whereas the newer model is 22 litres. I honestly haven't felt much difference as I'm still using the older shelves in my new oven, so I don't think this makes much difference. As you can see, the new model comes in a black colour and has touch technology. So this time we do not have a turning knob or any buttons. In my opinion, this makes this model look so much smarter on your worktop. When comparing the general appearance of both of these air fry ovens, the newer one looks much better on my worktop. It is more petite and I feel like the older one is a little bit more bulky. The older model is powered at 1800 watts, whereas the new model is powered at 2400 watts, which means its energy transfer is rapid. Both air fryers, in my opinion, are very powerful in terms of energy transfer, which is what helps the food cook faster and better. The food cooking faster means you will be saving on your energy bills, as you won't have the appliance switched on for as long as your regular oven. Both of these air fryers do not need preheating, so you will be saving 15 minutes of electricity use at the beginning of each dish you cook. Both of the ovens have 360 cyclone technology to support the rotisserie feature. They both have double insulated glass, which keeps the cooking smell to a minimum. Both of the ovens use food grade steel and contain a PD chip along with the NTC temperature control technology. There are 10 presets on both of the ovens, which I find very useful for cooking common foods such as chicken or pizza. And the best thing about both ovens is the fact that they are both safe and secure to use in your kitchen. The older model has been recognised by BBC Good Food as a 5-star tried and tested product. I can imagine the newer model having the same reputation. And not just that, the older model featured in Tech Advisor's Best Air Fryers of 2024. So there is some clarity on how trustworthy the Hysapientia products are. As for the pricing, you're getting a great value for money for both of these products. The 24-litre air fry oven has now been reduced to £134.99. The new model is currently on sale for £199.99. If you would like to purchase any of the air fryers you have seen in today's video, please click on the Amazon store link I have pasted in the description below. I hope this video gives you a clear picture on the differences of both of these ovens. Towards the end of this video, I have included a few recipes I made in both of these air fryer ovens. This includes just some of the unlimited foods the air fryers can cook. I have also linked another video in the description below which gives you 100 air fryer recipe ideas for you to enjoy. If you have any questions at all, please drop me a comment. Thank you.